Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need to emphasize the importance of emotional support animals. Visual hierarchy in design means the arrangement of elements and plot levels of importance. By including visual hierarchy in the infographic, I was able to lead with the main idea of the topic here, then support that idea with facts down here. The main idea is the mental health benefits of emotional support animals. So the first graphic includes how emotional support animals benefit the mental health and physical health of the demographic. Following with facts supports the topic and gives viewers a proof that these animals are helping people. I've also created visual hierarchy by varying font size. This creates a focal point, emphasizes the importance of the facts shown throughout the demographic. As you can see, I made the font size much larger for the fact here. Creating a focal point for this number emphasizes the importance of how many emotional support animals are out there and how they are helping people every single day. Center alignment means that elements are aligned in a center edge margin. It's best to use center alignment sparingly because it's harder to read, but I feel that by using it for each of the subtopic headings, emphasis on particular areas of the infographic was better visible to the viewers. By using center and left alignment, the viewer can read the infographic matching the way people naturally scan the page. Color harmony means the viewer experiences color choices in a visual as presenting a sense of order. Monochromatic color scheme uses one color but varies the saturation. This is the easiest way to achieve color harmony. As you can see throughout, the different saturations of the color green created a harmonious, visually cohesive look while not drawing attention to itself and letting the content shine. Thank you team for hearing my design justifications. Please let me know if you have any questions about my design choices.